So how do you type fractions on the iPad? Let me explain it, and if it's your first time being here on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, if you mean just typing fractions in the actual keyboard, let's say you want to send it over a message or something, and in this case, you can go to the keyboard, switch to the numbers view, and type in the first number slash and the other one. Right, so as you can see, 5/6 equals the fraction where 5 is over 6, right? You also get the instant calculation inside of the Spotlight search, right? And it is something which you can definitely do. It's like the easiest way to make that happen, right? You know, just 5/6 equals the number right there. So that's the easiest way you can do it, right? It also moves me right to the calculator in there, but you can also do it in other ways. For example, if you would want to type in multiple fractions, you can also use the parentheses like this and type in the divided numbers, right? So you can see 5 divided by 6, you know, close it like this, and that's also technically a fraction when you add it into the parentheses. So yeah, that's how you can do this. And when it comes to using it inside of the math, the calculator, right, for an actual math problem, it's going to be sort of the same thing. Like, we can switch to the scientific mode in there, and you can see that we have the fraction button, and it does exactly the same thing. So it puts it into the parentheses, and you know, there is two numbers which are divided. So you can do it yourself like this, right? And you can see we now have a fraction. So yeah, we don't really have the ability to write it over another the way that you would write it in a notebook or something, but that's what we have. And by the way, we can also switch to the math notes in here, which give us the ability to write it like this, right? So if you really want to be creative and, or, you know, use your Apple Pencil or finger to draw it, then we have the options as such, and you can also technically combine it like this, and I don't know, divide it like this, right? So we have the ability to work with fractions, but in kind of a limited way on the iPad. So that's essentially everything I wanted to show you. Let me know what you think about it below in the comments. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.